Hello Doge family, how are you today? Doge lovers, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. I work hard for the Doge family. I'm glad. We will grow Dogecoin together. What I say in my graphic predictions are always correct, friends. I hope it will be useful for you. I will determine the trading points for those who want to trade short. And today I will tell you the important developments. After a bullish end to the week, Dogecoin would need to avoid sub-31 cents levels to support a breakout day ahead. Dogecoin rose by 5.08% on Sunday. Following a 1.05% gain on Saturday, Dogecoin ended the week up by 11.94% to $0.3147. A mixed start to the day saw Dogecoin fall to an early morning intraday low $0.2966 before making a move. Steering clear of the first major support level at $0.2922, Dogecoin rallied to a late intraday high $0.3162. Dogecoin broke through the 23.6% fib of $0.3016 and the first major resistance level at $0.3078, coming up against the second major resistance level at $0.3161. Dogecoin eased back to end the day at $0.314 levels. At the time of video, Dogecoin was up by 0.15% to $0.3152. A mixed start to the day saw Dogecoin fall to an early morning low $0.3144 before rising to a high $0.3163. Dogecoin left the major support and resistance levels untested early on. Dogecoin would need to avoid the $0.3092 pivot to bring the first major resistance level at $0.3217 into play. Support from the broader market would be needed, however, for Dogecoin to break the barring an extended crypto rally. The first major resistance level would likely cap any upside. In the event of a breakout, Dogecoin could test resistance at 33 cents levels before any pullback. The second major resistance level sits at $0.3288. A fall through the $0.3092 pivot would bring the first major support level at $0.3021 and the 23.6% fib of $0.3016 into play. Barring an extended sell-off, however, Dogecoin should avoid sub-29 cents levels. The second major support level sits at $0.2896, September. A move upwards could push Doge to secure a weekly high at $0.314. Propelling further, it could revisit its 3-month high at $0.347. Indicators flashed mixed trading signals for Doge. MACD displayed short-bodied red bars on its histogram after a bearish crossover. Capital inflows also fell as check-in money flow sat below the midline. Interestingly, the relative strength index stood above the 50 mark, within the bullish territory. A flip in prices could push Doge to trade at an immediate support line of $0.273, reclaiming its one-week low prices. In recent developments, Doge Labs announced plans of hosting and deploying nodes to facilitate better infrastructure support for the altcoin. Cryptocurrencies are all the rage, and they've significantly outperformed stocks in the past couple of years. Despite its popularity, Dogecoin lacks the competitive edge to have staying power. This trio of digital currencies offers intrigue and the possibility of long-term success. For more than a century, the stock market has been the undisputed leading wealth creator. While it may not surpass the returns of gold, housing, or bonds every year, it's delivered the highest average annual return of these investment vehicles over the very long run. But over the past decade, cryptocurrencies have stormed the investing scene and become a formidable challenger to stocks. In fact, some of the most widely followed digital currencies have produced 5- and 6-digit percentage returns. This includes the people's currency, Dogecoin, which galloped higher by 27,000% in a 6-month stretch between early November 2020 and early May 2021. Dogecoin lacks a competitive edge. But not everyone is on board with the ascendance of cryptocurrencies. I consider myself a full-blown crypto skeptic. I don't own any digital currencies, have no near-term plans to buy any, and believe the market to be in a massive bubble that's in dire need of a shakeout. Of all the digital currencies investors could put their money to work in, Dogecoin is the most baffling. That's because it doesn't do anything particularly well. In other words, if you want a network and tethered token to replace the existing financial infrastructure, it better offer clear-cut advantages. Dogecoin doesn't offer any of that. Dogecoin's transaction fees are considerably higher than most popular cryptocurrencies. Dogecoin price eyes 35% upswing as Doge bulls prepare for comeback. Dogecoin price has been on a downswing since August 16 and is ready for a reversal. A successful bounce off the $0.262 to $0.281 demand zone indicates a resurgence of buyers. If Doge breaks below $0.240, it will invalidate the bullish thesis. Dogecoin price hit a dead end after setting up a swing high on August 16. Since this point, Doge bulls are nowhere to be seen, which resulted in a downswing. However, the retracement pushed the meme coin to a critical support area that will likely trigger an upswing. Dogecoin price readies for an explosive upswing. Dogecoin price dropped roughly 25% after the August 16 swing high at $0.352. This descent pushed Doge into a demand zone, ranging from $0.262 to $0.281. This pullback was met with a sudden uptick in buying pressure that has currently pushed Dogecoin price up by 12% to where it is presently. Going forward, investors can expect the meme coin to continue its upswing until it encounters the $0.328 resistance level. A decisive close above this crucial barrier will open the path to 40 cents. The average time needed to validate and settle transactions is slower than many of the same networks that have lower, or non-existent, transaction fees. The average number of daily transactions completed on Dogecoin's blockchain recently declined to a 3-year low, demonstrating weak adoption. It has virtually no real-world use, with only a little over 1,400 mostly obscure business accepting it as payment. I don't see a future where Dogecoin plays a meaningful role in a transacting capacity. Barring an extended crypto rally, the first major resistance level and Sunday's high $0.2921 would likely cap any upside. In the event of a breakout, Dogecoin could test resistance at the 23.6% fib of $0.3016 before any pullback. The second major resistance level sits at $0.2987. Failure to move through the $0.2833 would bring the first major support level at $0.2746 into play. This week, Dogecoin developers announced an update to the platform on Twitter. The update will reduce transaction fees and make the network more secure. A few hours later, Musk shared the post adding that it was important. Elon Musk, one of the 3 richest men in the world, going up and down in the top 3 along with Jeff Bezos and Bernard Arnault, is convinced that Dogecoin is one of the strongest cryptocurrencies, as he made clear when supporting the opinion of millionaire Mark Cuban. Mark Cuban's Dallas Mavericks offer cashback rewards on Dogecoin purchases. Dallas Mavs fans who spend more than $150 worth of Dogecoin in one transaction will receive a $25 e-gift card that they can use for purchases on the team's online store. Dallas Mavericks, Mark Cuban's NBA franchise, started a cashback rewards program to incentivize merchandise and ticket payments in Dogecoin. The rewards program is dubbed Mavs Cryptomania, and customers who spend more than $150 worth of Dogecoin in one transaction will receive a $25 e-gift card that they can use for online purchases in the Dallas Mavs shop. The program is slated to finish on September 30th. At the time of video, users will need to outlay 505 Doge in order to receive the e-gift card. The Mavs started accepting Doge for payments back in March and were also one of the first NBA franchises to accept Bitcoin payments for tickets and merchandise back in 2019. Cuban is a major Dogecoin proponent and stated in April that while the coin started as a joke, it is becoming a digital currency, due to its increasing adoption rate. The billionaire investor stated in May that Dogecoin had outperformed other crypto assets in terms of merchandise purchases, as he noted that, "We sell more Mavs merchandise for Doge on a typical day than we did in a year with BTC or ETH. I will keep you informed of developments as soon as possible." We've come to the end of the video, guys. I hope you understand what I want to say. Express your thoughts by commenting. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.